As you've seen in the previous video, up until now we've done no styling at all on our view, and Toolset is making everything look pretty decent right out of the box. In this video, we're going to jump back into the view we were creating and show you some of the options to further style and visually design your views. First off, let's change the font of the title. Click on the heading block, and then Typography on the sidebar. We can quickly choose from all Google fonts. I'm going to try out Poppins font at a 700 weight. And you know what? Instead of just plain text, this should really be a link to the post. So let's change the source to a post title with a link. The text turned green because that's this particular theme's default color for links. But in this case, let's change it to something else. Let's create a dark blue. We'll have the photo link to the post as well. Let's make it dynamic. And the source will be the post's URL. So if you click on the photo or the title, both will take you to the post. Let's have fun and add a little animation when you hover over the photos. I'll keep it small at 103%. Notice how the image zooms on hover. We can also change the border. Let's make it 3 pixels. And let's round out the border. And we can play with drop shadows. Let's take a look at the result. I'm going to remove that for now, but I wanted to show you some of the options. Let's change the color of the stars to green. And it might be nice to make the categories of the gym types smaller. And let's change the font here to match the title's font. Let's take a look at the result. I think that works better, but it might be nice to have each more visually separated. So let's go back. Let's add a container block. And we'll move all of the elements we made before into this container. I'm just going to speed up the playback a little bit. So that didn't really change anything yet. But now we can do things with this entire container. First off, let's make sure that we're highlighting the container. One method is to use the navigation tool at the top. From here, we can see the complete hierarchy of what we've built. Let's select the container. Then, on the sidebar, make the background a pale gray. Let's take a look at this. These are just a few of the things you can do to style your view. But now you know where to find the options and some of the styling you can play with.